Hello guys, welcome to my relocation vlog. If you have gotten to this part of this video, hello my love, I am so happy you did. This video was supposed to be my relocation vlog, but I couldn't vlog it because I had kids, I have a lot of things, and then I lost so many clips of what's happened. I was almost kidnapped, like where our car, the whole car was almost kidnapped. We had to sleep in the park for the whole of the night. So, and then we started traveling on Thursday, got home on Friday because we couldn't get home early. So if you are watching, you know that we are already in our new location and we are no longer in my favorite city in Nigeria, which is Abuja. So a lot of you guys know that I love Abuja so much, and we just recently relocated to Abuja. As fate would have it, we are back to where we left before we went to Abuja. So we still have a lot of assignments here. Maybe that's why God brought us back here, and that is why we are back. Trying to move myself and the kids because hubby was not with us was not an easy experience. It was something really serious. Tips for you: if you are a mom trying to travel with kids, you have to be strong. Your heart has to be very strong, and in being strong you have to prepare yourself, plan properly. This relocation have taught me a lot of lessons. It has just opened my eyes to a lot of realities, and it has made me stronger, and I'm just grateful to God that we were not kidnapped at the end of the day. Another thing I want to touch on in this video is that I will be officially quitting natural hair. If you know me, I make natural hair. I help women grow long, healthy natural hair. It is something that gives me joy. It gives me so much joy when I see a fellow lady who is struggling with her natural hair getting the opportunity to grow her natural hair long and not having to use extension before she looks beautiful, and just avoiding all the health damages or all the health dangers that comes with putting relaxer or using extensions on your hair. So I just want to quit that part of my life right now because the city where I am in now, I do not have that strength to start seeking new customers. Not like I don't want to seek new customers. I want to focus my energy on other things right now. Maybe later in life, maybe later when I'm a lot relaxed over here, I can pick up that career again and start helping women grow their hair. And again, another aspect I'm quitting natural hair is my videos. So I'm going to be making natural hair videos, but it's not going to be the sole aim of my channel. So if you know me from beginning, I love vlogs. I love making vlogs. I love talking to you guys like this, which is the more reason why I'm holding my phone closer. It just makes me feel closer to you guys. It just makes me feel like I have a friend outside. And this city is going to be a little lonely for me right now, and I want to do more of vloggings. I want to have more friends on here, and doing hair is not giving me all that right now. I want to focus on vlogging more, even though I'm going to be doing natural hair, but you are going to see more vlogs. So that is why I'm giving a notice that I'm quitting natural hair. Not like I'm quitting, but it's just going to be a 50% of what I post on my channel. But I still have I will still have vlogs on my channel. I will have other educational content on my channel. I just want to do other things and like concentrate on content, even though not full time, because I'm quitting natural hair. Like I'm quitting making natural hair, like helping women grow their hair for now. Not like that's not my passion. Not like that's not my passion, but it's going to be something I'm going to do later in life. But for now, I want to concentrate on making videos for you guys. I want to see how consistent I can push myself to be on this channel, because I have always, 4 years now that I started this channel, I've always wanted to be consistent creating content, but a lot of things have distracted me. But now that I'm in a lonely city and I'm quitting the job that keeps me on my feet every minute, I think it's going to be easier for me to always have a video to put out. And I want to like put it out there and then solicit for your own love, like just ask you to always follow, to always contribute. And for now, YouTube is my biggest platform, is the platform where I love to always show up on, and I'm going to be doing TikTok too. So I just want to give it out there. And for those who are my friends, my lovely fans, those who love me so much, I know you will follow me. And then when I post natural hair content, you can also engage in it. Thank you so much for watching. We are safe. Thank God for bringing us back safely, even though this vlog is not as I wanted it to be. Thank you guys so much. Just keep anticipating for more content and more videos from me. And this time around, I promise myself by God's grace to always give you educational content.